What up, guys? It's me. Currently in the basement. It's 55 degrees outside right now, which is perfect weather to install the ducktail, whatever you want to call it. So, with that being said, I am going to install it right now. So, I'll meet you guys out there. And we're back. To install this, all you're gonna need is a microfiber towel. I already did it in some detailer. I already sprayed it down and wiped it off and all that. But I'm gonna just go over it again, just because you can't be too safe that it's dried up all the way. So now that that's done, let's get this out of the wrap. Alright, just like that, we are good. So, oh yeah, forgot. I put on my, little selfie stick thing. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take this out of the wrap, like I was supposed to do, so. Alright, it's out. So, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see this, but it's supposed to fit on there like this. So, we'll be back after I install it. Alright, so basically there's 3M double-sided sticky tape on the front, or on the back of the, underneath the lag sport wrap ducktail. You're going to want to peel half of it off, except for on each side there's two little spots of 3M about that big. You want to take those two off completely, and then the two long strips you want to do halfway and then do it the rest of the way once you get it all lined up. Alright, catch you in a minute. Yeah. Here we go again.
They say that fear is a dream killer, but my fears of failing made me dream bigger. So big, some will say it's just a fantasy. Well, I'ma do it to the point where every fantasy. I think back to the day of Pressure 3, when I wrote that track that night. I was a different man, because halfway through I was through with the pen. When I put it to my head, then the trigger, damn, I knew it was a mistake. You never understand, thinking that's a way to escape. I felt the pain so deep I couldn't stop with the shakes. Then he showed me that it wasn't my decision to make. I had a pile of glass, floor full of ash, with another bottle to smash. Once I finished the last, my inner voice telling me it could be gone in a flash. You never think these type of thoughts till you're down to your last. I know it's crazy to think I could've ended it.
Alright, yo, I don't feel like that video was that long, so I was gonna wait to do this tomorrow when I got more stuff in, but anyways, here you go. Brand new Koenig wheels. Not it. I can type a lot about these. Let's unbox these and get right back to you. I don't think y'all are ready. I really don't. Bam. Koenig Hypergram 17 by 8 plus, I think, 40. I don't know. So back up here. Sorry about the lighting. And this is actually right here in the tape. So yeah. Koenig Hypergrams. Let's try to find where it says it on the box. Yep. Koenig Hypergram 18 by 8 plus 40. Pattern is 5 by 114. I am super stoked about getting these in stock. Well, getting those in for this year. These wheels are literally light as possible. And the thing is, like, I don't have that good of lighting, but you all can see that they are not the bronze, they are not the red, they are the anthracite, which on my Forte I had a set of wheels that kind of looked like these, except for the spokes came straight out to the lip, and they just looked amazing. They were a little bit lighter. I'm thinking about actually painting these white or plastic dipping them white. I don't want to ruin this paint. This paint is phenomenal. I absolutely love these. They're 17 around 18 or 8. So for those of you that don't know wheels and stuff, and the attention to detail is just amazing. DST, flow form, I think that's it. And then you got your valve stem here. But these are just absolutely astounding. I cannot wait to put these on my car. They're amazing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna set down my wheel. It's your boy. I'm out. I hope you liked today's video. Like, comment, subscribe for more. There will be more. There's another video coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Stay true to your ambitions. I'm out.